Okay. Whoop, let me get the bag out of the way so get some better light on it. But voila. Here's the rest of it. Now, for the all-important part, the taste test. Now, I sprinkled a little more cheese on it, Parmesan cheese. Okay, let's get a little of everything on here. Okay, we've got spinach. Let's get a little piece of bacon on here. Alright, here we go. Mmm. Oh wow. Creamy. Got a nice bite to the spinach. Bacon's crispy and tender. Very cheesy. Warm. Oh my god, this is so good. Guys, you have to try it once again. Look it up. Food Network. Claire Robinson. Claire Spinach Carbonara. Now, and it's quick to make too. I started it, I don't know if you noticed, about 4:20, 4:30. Look what time it is now. Only takes about 15-20 minutes to make, give or take. I really recommend you guys give it a try, okay? So I'm going to enjoy this. This is my dinner. And, well, as Julia Child used to say, bon appetit! Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. Okay, bye.